Hello, so we have this problem on the board to be solved. I'll read the question as usual. A Constantine wire has a cross-sectional area of 4 times 10 raised to power minus 8 meters square and a resistivity of 1.1 times 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm meter. If a resistor of resistance with 11 ohms is to be made from this wire, calculate the length of the wire required. Okay, as usual, we're going to bring out the parameters in this question. So, a Constantine wire has a cross-sectional area. So we have A is equal to 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 meters squared, right? And a resistivity of 1.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 ohm meter. So we have rho to be given as what? 1.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 ohm meter. If a resistor of resistance 11 ohms is to be made from this wire, so we have resistance to be what? 11 what? Ohms. Okay, calculate the length of the wire. So we are looking for what? L. We're looking for L. So we remember this formula that has to do with resistivity is equal to what? Ra all over what? L. But this is what we are looking for. We are looking for L. So we make L the subject of the formula. How do we do that? If we cross multiply, we have this times this. So we have rho L is equal to what? Ra. Okay. So it's L that is our concern. We divide both sides by the coefficient of L. So the coefficient of L is what? Rho. Right? We divide both sides by rho. We divide both sides by rho. And then rho we cancel rho, and then we are left with this. So it means that we have what? L is equal to what? Ra all over what? Rho. But if you know what you are doing, if from here, you just know that you are just swapping this. I'm only doing this, all this long procedure for those who don't understand how to just swap, okay? So now we have this as the formula to be used to find length. Now let's substitute. So we have R is equal to what? Let's check if there's any one we need to convert. This is a meter square. It's okay. This is a meter ohms. So no conversion of any kind. So we can then input our parameters to solve. What is R? R is what? 11 times. What is A? A is 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. So we have 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 all over. Okay, I hope you are saying. Okay, and rho, what is rho? Rho is what? 1.1 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 6. So I want to change everything to okay, let's do this first. 11 times 4 will give us what? 44, right? Times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 8 all over 1.1 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 6. I want this to be 11 because 11 into this will give me 4. So I want to make this to be what? 11. Okay, so now let's do this. So if L is equal to 44 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 all over 1.1, I want it to be 11. To be 11 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 is equal to. So let me shift it to this side. So we have this, we have this, we have this. So we have L is equal to 44 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 all over 11 times. So this time, if we add these two, minus 1 minus 6 will give us what? It gives us raised to the power what? Minus 1 plus minus 6 will give us minus 7. Is that okay? So now we have this. 11 can go into this. This into this will give us what? 4. So we have L is equal to 4 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 8 all over 1 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 7. So L is equal to this divided by this. We have 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. If we bring this up, it will become what? Plus 7. So we have L is equal to 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7 will give us what? Minus 1. Okay, and L will now be equal to raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as well, 0.4 meters. And this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.